Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We're going from edible landscaping to a pie fundraiser. And by the way, pie is edible. And this one's going to support a good cause. It's raising money for local missions. So first, tell me a little bit about what exactly you're doing. What are these missions that you're wanting to raise money for?
Well, some of the missions that we support through our pie sales are God's Resort, Unity in the Community, Stapleton Elementary, just a lot of local missions around Joplin.
Gotcha. And why pie?
Well, we started making these pies when we did a dinner theater at Byers Avenue, and we would serve the pies at halftime, and people would just clamor for them other times during the year. So about 25 years ago, we started this pie fundraiser, and it's always around the 4th of July weekend. This year, we're doing it Friday, Saturday, and Monday, July 1st, 2nd, and 4th. And we make all the pies, everything from scratch to order. You order it in advance and you pick up on the day that you choose to pick your pies up. So we make our own crust. Everything is totally from scratch, and people just love them.
Gotcha. And the camera is not capturing the complete beauty of this pie that's sitting here. What kind of pie is this one?
This is a French silk pie. It has our famous crust with a really delicious, rich, creamy chocolate mousse and a cream topping and chocolate shaving on the top of it. It's one of our best sellers, along with, we have several meringue pies. Coconut meringue is our top seller probably. And we also make apple and cherry and a butterscotch, lemon,
That was going to be my next question.
banana,
What kind of
pecan,
variety do you have?
pumpkin,
Yeah, all
peanut
kinds of
butter.
pies.
Yeah, we make a big variety, and we make them in large. This is a 10-inch pie, and that sells for $16. And then we make a 6-inch mini pie, and those sell for $8.
And in terms of the fundraiser, how much does this help in going toward these missions? How much do you manage to raise from these?
So we sell about 900 to 1,000 pies,
Yes.
correct?
In 3 days.
And we make about $9,000?
Yes. Yeah.
So,
I mean, that's got to, for anybody who's wondering, that's got to talk about the testament of how good these pies are.
they are very good.
Yes.
So if people do want to order a pie, is it too late to order one? Or
It is not too late to order one. You can go to the church's website, which you can Google Byers Avenue United Methodist Church, or it's BYERSAVEUMC.org, or you can call the church office at 417-624-3647.
And when people make these orders, do they pay at the time of the order, or do they pay at time of pickup?
They can do either. If they order online, we don't have a way to collect online, so they pay when they pick it up.
Gotcha. And you mentioned that it's going to be Friday, Saturday, and Monday.
Yes.
And with it being the 4th of July weekend, do you think that that will help, especially with the temperatures warming up, that's going to end up helping with these pie sales?
Oh, absolutely. And there are hundreds of buyers that they just now expect to be able to buy these pies to be part of their 4th of July celebration. It's a tradition for them.
So for anybody who's not tried these pies and you want to give it a shot, you've got 3 days to do it. You can order now.
Right.
And you can make it part of your 4th of July tradition.
Yes, sir.
That's an excellent thing to make part of your tradition too, by the way. I mean, who doesn't like a good pie on a nice hot evening?
We make the apple and the cherry baked and ready to eat, and also assembled frozen, and you take it home and bake it later. So a lot of people stock up their freezer for Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays with apple and cherry pie.
Oh, wow.
And when you come to get your pies on the 1st, 2nd, or 4th, we do kind of like the Chick-fil-A where you just drive up and we will deliver your pies out to your car.
Excellent. So you don't even have to get out of your car.
Nope.
The pies are going to come right to you. You got all that deliciousness, and you're helping raise money for these missions. So, and real quick, just tell me, how important are these missions, by the way? I mean, what makes them so special? What makes them so important?
Well, just really important. For example, God's Resort helps people who are maybe a little bit down on their luck, and we just give money to support the programming that they do. Stapleton Elementary obviously works with students. We just try to, as a church, to partner with a lot of different agencies that are helping people in our community.
All right. Well, guys, thank you so much for coming in so early and bringing something so delicious
yes,
to the
well,
studio.
enjoy your pie.
Yeah.
I am sure that we will. I mean, I kind of just want to go ahead and take a little bit of it now. We've got all the information you need to know on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com, to get those orders in, and make sure you get yourself something extra delicious for the 4th. We've got more of the KOAM Morning News when we come back.